Hello guys, we are back with the new AI tool on your favorite YouTube channel Generative Coach. So, we all are using social media today, and at least once or twice we saw people have their AI corrected video where they make their own AI animated character. So, today we have AI that help us to create our own AI animated character with just in few clicks. So, let's start. This tool is perfect for creator and it's really easy to use. As we scroll down, we see what we can do with this tool like video to animation, video, face swipe, AI image generator, AI video generator, character animation and enhance and upscale images. So let's go to the top and start generating. First, we start with, as regularly we do, we have to log in. So for now, I'm logged in with my Google account. Now click on try GoEnhance for free. After click on this, we will see interface like this. Here we see video to video generator, face swipe, text to images and next to AI video generator. After scroll down, we see some already generated videos of video to video templates, face swipe templates, text to images and creative style transfer. On the top right corner, we see credits and after click on upgrade options, we see upgrade plans from basic to mega, where you can see they have monthly and yearly plans. So we are starting with the free account. Yes, they give us an opportunity to create a free for 5-second video. So let's generate. Let's generate from video to video generator. With this, you can turn your video into different anime style videos. Here we have some video. Let's play this one. So on the left side, we see a panel. Here we can upload our image or drag and drop here. From here, you can select the duration of the video. As we are using a free account, it gives us a maximum time for 5-second video. Let's generate it and it will take 5 minutes to render it. While it's generating, I will tell you about the account information. If you click here, you can see credits. After click on my creation option, we see a draft video or the video we are generating now. After click on gift code option, you can enter the coupon code if you have any coupon code. Yes, it gives us a discount on subscription if we are using a coupon code. So for now, I don't have any coupon code, but if you see my video and my views are above 1000, I will share the coupon code. After clicking on a setting option, we can see our user ID and we can delete our account from here. We can also see tutorial of this tool from here. So they have a tutorial how we can use this AI tool. And you can contact their team on Twitter, Discord and email by just clicking. And you can log out from here. If you want to change the language of this tool, you can change it by clicking on this option. So here we go. Video is ready. Let's play it. First, we are playing the video that we uploaded. Now I am playing the video that generated from this tool. Wow, you can see with just a few clicks in a 5 minute you get your own AI animated video. So let's download this video. So let's explore some more feature of this. So we are using face swipe generator. So the interface will be the same like as we see in the video to video generator. Here we have to upload face image and here we have to upload video like this. So here I am selecting 5-second video again because we are using a free account and we have a limited credits. Now we upload image and generate it from here. As we can see, our video is generated but we don't get any good result. Maybe the image I upload is blurry or maybe perspective is not good. You can try it with your image Let me know in the comment section if you generate it. And try this text to image and AI image generator. And if you are not able to generate, just let us know in the comment section and we're going to tell you with the second part of this AI tool. So I'm resting my video here for now. If you want to learn about AI tool like this, or if you want to use AI tool for your graphic design, digital marketing, business, productivity, and for many more purposes, please subscribe our channel Generative Coach. And if you like our video, just hit the like button. Do comment in the comment section and follow us on the Instagram and the Facebook. Link in the description. Thank you.